Hi, my name is Keith, and I'm an immigration lawyer in Chicago. Today I want to talk about TPS, Temporary Protected Status. First, I want to answer the question, what is TPS? Then, who should apply for TPS? And third, some criticisms I have of the recent TPS announcement. First, what is TPS? TPS stands for Temporary Protected Status, and each word is important. TPS is a status. If you have TPS, you are lawfully present in the United States, and you can later ask to change to a different status if you qualify for that new status. But TPS is temporary. TPS lasts only for 18 months at a time. The federal government must designate a country for TPS for that 18-month period, and then renew the 18 months if appropriate. TPS is always a political decision, and sometimes it winds up in court. The third word in TPS is protected. TPS offers protection from deportation. If you have TPS, the U.S. government will not try to deport you. TPS also gives a work permit as a nice extra benefit. But note, TPS does not lead to permanent residence in the United States. It really is temporary protected status. Who should apply for TPS? My short answer, if you qualify for TPS, you should apply. The TPS program provides benefits that are temporary, but it gives you some room to plan for the future. Maybe things get better in your home country, or maybe you decide to apply for asylum, or maybe you qualify for something else, but at least you have that room to breathe. The individuals I would say who should not apply for TPS include individuals with a serious criminal history, individuals who've lied to U.S. government officials before or otherwise violated U.S. immigration laws. But if you don't have these negatives in your background, you should probably apply. The other group who may not apply include individuals who have a clear path to permanent residence in the U.S. Maybe you just don't want to spend your money. But if you don't mind, I still think it's worth it to apply for TPS, even if you have other possible benefits. The third thing I want to talk about, though, is a criticism I have of the recent TPS announcement for Venezuela. First, it's great news for Venezuelans. We have many Venezuelan clients in our office, and I encourage all of our clients and all Venezuelans who qualify to apply for TPS. But if you read news articles or listen to news reports, this announcement is portrayed as a way to give work permits to migrants. It is true that you can ask for a work permit with a TPS application, but it's not a fast process. This is not a process that will give work permits immediately to migrants or even quickly. Most TPS applications will take 2 to 3 to 5 months to get a decision. It's common sometimes to take a year or even longer to get a decision on your TPS and work permit application. So I think it's false that many news outlets portray this as a fast way to get a work permit for migrants. It is not. The Biden administration only has certain tools at its disposal, and they have used this one well, but Congress needs to make more enduring and more impactful solutions in immigration. We are a country of immigrants. The Statue of Liberty says, give us your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free. We are not currently living up to that promise on the Statue of Liberty. Congress could act to fix this. I'm not optimistic that they will. But at least the announcement from the Biden administration is good news. If you qualify for TPS, I recommend you apply. If you have any questions about TPS, or if you'd like us to discuss anything else, please let us know in the comments. Take care.